So guys, welcome back. Konbanwa, herzlich willkommen. Yeah guys, since Faraday Future is pumping here with no limit guys, yeah, I researched here the market and I want to show you maybe a Faraday Future 2.0 stock guys, which also could have here a very high short squeeze potential. I checked YouTube, I searched for that ticker. It seems that really nobody is talking about the stock as so often guys. I have a lot of short squeeze stocks here on my pocket, yeah, or in my pocket here, which I present for members only. Just one example, what we had yesterday, guys, that was this ticker here. Also one of my hot stocks, guys, squeezed 348%. So as you know, guys, if you want to see the hot stocks here, you can join the memberships. The link is here in the video description, and you get access to these short squeeze hot stocks by using the Elite Circle membership here or the Ultimate Black Belt membership on Patreon, guys. So yeah, I will show you here one ticker which could be very interesting. So in case you missed here the Faraday Future squeeze, guys, no worries. Yeah, the market has a lot of opportunities and we have a lot of stocks which are squeezing here. Yeah, Faraday Future, no limit. I mean, we see the liquidity zones, but now I show you a ticker who also could see a massive squeeze. But please, guys, listen very careful here. This is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and you have to really listen careful here, not to FOMO into the stock or not to buy too early. So let's check it out. The ticker I want to show you is boom, HGAS, guys, Global Gas Corporation. Yeah, mark my words, I didn't find any videos on the ticker, so I'm the first one who talk about this. That was the same for a couple of other stocks before the Moomoo tubers got activated. That was the main reason why I had to start also the memberships, because Moomoo tubers started to copy my content. That's why I have this right now, guys. So yeah, when we see this stock here, guys, HGAS, we have here a very low market capital as usual, guys. Yeah, for Faraday Future, if you don't understand why Faraday Future is now squeezing like that, because the market capital was just $1 million. Faraday Future traded at 4 cents. Yeah, and when you have this kind of low market capital stocks and when they do some reverse stock splits and so on, guys, that is in favor for a short squeeze. So this ticker here, guys, yeah, is trading now at $1.40. Yeah, this is not the time to buy in. Yeah, so we had here an all-time low of $1.05, at least when we watch the chart like that. So when I zoom out, you can see we started to trade here officially. Let's zoom out. So guys, here February 2021. So here we started officially to trade. Nothing special. IPO price $10 as usual. Then you can see here a small pump, $12. That's it. Since then, the stock is just dipping to the downside. We have here some volume spikes in between. You can see that here. Technical reaction 73%. Here the latest one which we had here was 100%. That's okay, guys, but this we could see here a much bigger squeeze, but this is not ready yet in my opinion. Here was a rebound. You can see that we always, guys, the $1 range is a very responsive price range here. So we had a reaction here of 42%, but in my opinion this is not a big squeeze. What do you need to know about this ticker here, guys? Why do I bring this up? Why do I think that could be a really big short squeeze play here? I will add this also to the official YouTube watch list, guys, because I will cover this now a little bit more on my channel here. And yeah, what you need to know is where is the bottom, right? Where is the bottom and why do I think that could be something like Faraday Future? To answer that, we have to see what is going on behind the scenes. So I will now switch here to the 4 hours chart. Abracadabra, the magic begins, guys. And what we can see here, we have an open gap, a hidden secret open gap at 51 cents, and it gets even more worse, guys. Yeah, this is the reason why the company is just tanking down. Yeah, why we just tanking down and close those gaps. But how is it possible? There was no open gap in the 1 day chart, right? This is a so-called ninja chart. I call them the ninja charts, guys, because this stock surged from 0.0001 of unofficial IPO. I don't know what happened here. You can see that we had here something in 2002 and then the stock ripped here to $10. So you know, the IPO was of course $10, but here was trading activity in the background and we have here an, I don't know, 1,000,000% squeeze. Yeah, that don't need to happen again. But what I think is here a scenario for this ticker, and this is the reason, guys, this is the only technical reason when we zoom now back in here. This is the reason all these open gaps, let me switch off the indicators, all these hidden gaps which you see here, these Mickey Mouse candles, yeah, I call them the Mickey Mouse candles for all the new followers here. I got a lot of new followers here in the last days, guys. Welcome to this channel here. So all these small candles here, guys, are open gaps, and this is trading volume. Maybe 100 shares, one share traded. You can see that here, yeah. Here, even the big candle here, guys, 30 shares traded. So this is nothing. This is just Mickey Mouse. And this is the reason why the stock has to come down and has to close these gaps. And that would mean, in absolute worst case, we're talking here about 25 cents, guys, and this is our trigger. Yeah, this is not a financial advice. Please make your own decisions, make some research. I will also show you that here is some delusion incoming in future, but this is how I trade, guys, since years, and this is here a so-called ninja chart, and you can see by yourself. You don't need to buy the stock here, do what you want, but you will see how this is playing out as soon as this gap gets filled. That's why, yeah, my words here, clear words, please don't buy before that. This is not a financial advice. We can of course see here some bigger squeezes before that happens, of course, but technically this is the price goal here for this ticker, guys, to the downside. And then we can check, of course, here in Fibonacci retracement as well here on this bigger candle which we have here in the chart, because you can see that this the stock responded already here. So that was a price range here of $3.72, and in the 4 hours chart, also invisible in the daily chart, we had here a massive rip to the upside. And this is, guys, everything here in the 4 hours ninja chart, 260%. But what does that mean? So if we should come up again, so let's switch here one more time. We have, unfortunately, guys, we have here just one open gap in the chart, in the daily chart, so which has to get filled by a daily candle, or could get filled. We have even two. I'm sorry, we have two open gaps here. So one open gap is waiting here at $10, guys. That would be, of course, the absolute perfect scenario, but you see that this is possible. You see that by Faraday Future. And why do I bring the stock up? So I have to make myself clear again. This gap is closed. There is no open gap because we have this ninja chart. So I think we have here more downside here before we see here a technical reaction. I would not recommend, to buy in before that price level here, but as I said, make your own due diligence. The stock is more than 80% short. And guys, they announced dilution here. They say that they will dilute 21 million shares. So there will be dilution incoming. That will, in my opinion, also cause a massive price drop. I think they didn't drop the shares in the market yet, but I want to make this video now very early because we could see here massive price drops, 10%, 20% every day. And then you know, sooner or later, very quick, this gap gets filled because this stock, guys, is 86% short. That would mean 86% short, also almost, the whole float is short. Same like also Faraday Future, we have here some shares available, but a quite normal short borrow fee rate here, 53% is okay. It's not too high and not too low. And what I want to show you is this. The float, guys, is the official float. Yeah, is 40,000 shares. I mean, 40,000 shares. And if they dilute now here, I don't know, 20 million additional shares, then we have still a low float, and that could be a trigger for the short sellers to cover their position as soon as the price is here in the 25-cent range or even lower. Don't forget that we traded here at 1 cent or 0.0001 cent by the end of the day, guys. So this is why I bring this up. Just put this one on your radar, see how this plays out. It can take here a few weeks, it can take a few days. I want to bring that already up here because that could be the next Faraday Future. Here we had the same scenario, guys, from 3 cents, 4 cents. We're trading now here at $1.20. This is an absolute crazy and massive squeeze. I tried to measure that for you here. We're talking here about already 3,130%. And when you see the green candles, guys, the squeeze is not over yet. So guys, put that on your radar. As I said, check out here the video description for the hot stocks. If you didn't see my previous Faraday Future videos, check them out, guys. And if you want to copy here the lines in the chart, we just start here. I will do some more drawings here. Then you can, of course, also check out my link here for TradingView. I have also a discount link here in the video description. Everybody who wants to start trading, guys, of course, please follow my channel, become a member here. But if you really seriously want to start trading and maybe want to quit your job, become a full-time trader, guys, it is possible. It is hard work. You have to do a lot of research. You have to learn a lot, but you need the right tools. One of the tools is TradingView, which I'm using every day, guys. And you can here save $15 by using this link. And then I recommend for you the Plus subscription, guys. So that's it, guys. Put that one on your radar. HGAS, I hope not too many YouTubers will now jump on that ticker here, because I talked about that, guys. Enjoy. See you in the next video. Thank you and alles Gute. Bis zum nächsten Video. Take care, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.